Okay. All right, we're recording. Hi, this is Teresa, and Owen's here is my little helper today. And we're recording a video on how we use a couple different apps to actually plan our meals for the week and create new recipes and grocery shop. So here is my website called Whole Health Transformation website. And this is the member back office. And I've got a couple resources here for you. We've got some home workouts. You can look and click on my YouTube workout channel to see some different workouts that are up there and choose from them, whether it's a home workout or a leg workout.
I didn't know you had a YouTube channel.
I do.
Wait, so it's on the TV YouTube?
Yeah.
I want to see.
All right. Yeah, I'll show you my different workouts. We can do some of them together or something.
No, can I see them on YouTube?
I will show you after. Should we click on it real quick? I'll show them. Okay, so here's my YouTube channel, my little workout playlist. So I've got a few up here loaded so far, 20-minute workouts, some upper body, special Valentine's Day workout from before as well. So we'll continue to add ones to here. Looks cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. We've got some meal plans. I have a weekly meal plan, a vegan one, and some different ones with chicken and shrimp and things like that. And then a few different articles down here I'll continue to add to that. But now I want to point you to recipe inspiration. So go ahead and click on that. And I have the different recipes that I've added to the meal plans, plus some other ones that I find that I think are really good. I'll add their links here. And now I'm going to show you how I use my Paprika app to manage all these recipes. So I'm going to bring that up now. And Paprika is a recipe manager. You can buy this app on your phone, and then I'm going to open and show on my phone. You can buy it here on your phone, or you can also get it for your computer, and both work great.
Or you could do it on your iPad.
Or you can do it on your iPad. Exactly. Yep. So we downloaded all these different recipes, and they're in different, and you can even put them in different categories. Baked goods, breakfast, dinner, all sorts of different things. So there's my recipe, all my recipes. Now, a couple different ways that you can add recipes. One of them is through this link called Browser. Now I'm going to switch back and forth here and show you. So let's say we wanted to add Brussels sprouts, sweet potato, sausage hash. Here's the recipe. I'm going to copy that link.
Can you turn the light up a little bit? I can't see myself.
Oh, I think that's the best lighting we have here.
Here we go.
Okay. Let's see if we can fix some lighting. I'm going to add that link here to the browser. And it'll bring up that recipe. And now,
turn down the light over there.
Okay, thanks, Owen. The lighting master here. And I'm going to save that recipe right down here in the bottom right corner into my recipe database. There it goes. It downloads all of that. And I just click save. I can even add it to a specific category if I'd like. I'm going to save it. So now it's in my recipes. Oops, it's uncategorized. This Brussels sprout sweet potato sausage hash. There we go. Now I'm going to go to meals, and we can actually choose from our recipes what we want to eat or make as meals throughout the week. So Owen's going to help me pick a couple different things. What do you think? Should we do one of our favorites
shrimp?
Yep, we really like to make shrimp dishes here. So how about stir fry and shrimp?
Sure.
Okay, we'll add that one in. And so let's say, okay, we'll play around with that. And then also, we really like homemade chicken nuggets. We've made those before, right? And those are really good. So I'm going to add those to next Tuesday. And then, oh, you know what else? Spaghetti squash.
Oh, yeah, spaghetti squash.
Okay.
We have that spaghetti sauce squash.
Yes. Spaghetti squash right here is also one of our favorites. So we'll add those to show kind of some dinner options throughout the next week.
By the way, I don't have a YouTube channel.
Well, we might. You should be a YouTube star, don't you think? We should make a YouTube channel for Owen.
By the way, I just tell them.
What, you love YouTube?
Yes.
I know. Okay, so let's tell them the next thing that they can do. Once they've added all their different recipes throughout the week, we can go to actions up here and add to grocery list. It'll bring up all those ingredients that are in those recipes, and we'll add them all. One second. We'll add them all to our grocery list. Now, if we look at our grocery list, we've got all those things that we added from the recipes. Of course, you don't have to add all of them. So you can pick and choose. Maybe you've got some of those ingredients at home already.
What did you call a YouTube channel?
And then I will tell you in a moment. Now, on your app, when you take this to the grocery store, you can take a look at what your groceries are, and use that list to shop from and then check off once you've gotten what you need. All right, so that is how you use this resource that I created for you on my website with the recipe inspirations, and then also how you can use the Paprika app to manage your meals and groceries. All right, so have fun, guys, and thanks for checking out our video. Say bye, Owen. Good luck with all that good home cooking.
Bye.